So here's the 411 on how I increased my credit score from 600 to 800 in such a short time. Hi my beautiful subscribers, welcome back. I am Nayoka Kelly Campbell, founder and CEO of Kelly Fiscal LLC. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed as yet, here are a few tips. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Make sure that you like this video because it helps YouTube in recommending my video to other subscribers. But just one more extra step. Click that notification bell and make sure that you click the button that says all. Doing that allows you to become the first to be notified instantly whenever we upload new financial videos. So let's dive into this week's topic. I'll be sharing with you how I was able to increase my credit score from 600 to 800 in only 2 months. Yes, I said it, only 2 months. And yes, it is doable. First, let's just look at what makes up our credit score. So 35% makes up your payment history. You see, lenders want to know if you have paid your credit accounts on time. 30% has to do with your credit utilization. You want to make sure that you do not owe more than 30% on all of your credit cards combined. Now, 15%, this is the length of your credit history. A longer credit history increases your credit score. So before you close those cards that you haven't been using, think twice before closing those cards, people. Now, 10% is from your credit mix, such as retail accounts, finance companies, loans, and mortgage loans. But you really don't need to have one of each. And finally, 10% has to do with new credit accounts or new credit inquiries. You see, opening several credit accounts presents a greater risk to creditors. So you need to try to avoid opening too many credit cards rapidly. So here's the 411 on how I increased my credit score from 600 to 800 in such a short time. So my score went down drastically because I used my credit as a good debt, of course, in purchasing something that would bring me back a return for my investment. But in return, that basically lowered my credit score tremendously. However, I knew this would be the case because I wasn't at all worried because, I was basically utilizing my debt in a good way. So because of that, my credit utilization went up above 30% and my revolving account also increased. But mind you, all the other factors that affects one's credit was still within reason. I had no new inquiries. My payment history was spectacular. I had an extensive credit mix and I also have a long credit history. So did you know that credit card balances affects your credit score more than a personal loan? So guess what I did? You guessed it. I took out a personal loan to cover a part of my credit card balance. I even took it a bit further by taking out another small loan from my retirement account. Yes, from my retirement account. And paid off all the remaining credit card balances. So here's a quick tip for you. Loans taken from your retirement account does not affect your credit score at all. Let me repeat that. Loans taken from your retirement account does not affect your credit score at all. You can even take out a loan from your retirement account to assist with purchasing a new home, to purchase investment properties, or even if you fall into hardship, this is definitely something to look into if you really need to, just saying. So the reason it took almost 2 months for my credit score to increase from 600 to 800 is because you have to give these credit bureaus time to access your information from these credit institutions so that it's reflected on your credit account, which in turn affects your credit score. And I'm pretty sure that my score could have increased within a month, but that's just me being too optimistic, right? Anyway, I hope this sheds some more light on how you can better manage and increase your credit score. So before you leave, please remember to hit that like button. Doing so helps YouTube to recommend my video to more people. And guys, please share, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell if you want to be one of the first subscribers to be notified when we release new financial videos. Join me next time for more financial tips and secrets right at your fingertips. Don't waste it, share it. Thank you guys for watching.